welcome back to my channel. In this video, how to make limping mask in logo. Let's start. First, uh, create outlines, the letter shine, okay? And I downloaded the background so you can download it. Let's start. Object, create outlines, compound, path, make, and select both objects. Shift plus right click. Object, clipping mask, make. Object, compound path, and make. Compound path and make. Again, object, clipping mask, and make. Sorry, selection is very important. Shift plus right click. Object, clipping mask, make. Done. Thanks for watching.